This is called framing effects. I work within a framework of self-doubt and self-hatred. I hold my tongue, I held my tongue, because I feared hate, or I feared that I wasn't the smartest person in the room. I ignored passion for the misconception that passion is irrational, and irrational is angry. I did everything to go beyond the judgments of my race, only half of me, but the half that has my heart beating against my chest, 1,000 miles a minute. I was told from a young age that people here wouldn't understand me, that my beauty was unconventional. I never realized that I come from a framework of scientific injustice, that my unconventionality is systematically considered less than. Beauty is in the eye of a blue-eyed beholder. The blue eyes I wish so dearly would look at me and see a beauty. Beauty is in the eye of those that never beheld me, that will never proclaim me as one of their own, one of their beautiful. I exist in a framework that tells me I am base, I am less. I exist in a framework that tells me you are not enough. Okay. This is not my song. It's from a show called Memphis, the musical. And it's called Colored Women.
Oh, yes.
Some got chances, some got choices, some got freedom in these states. Colored women got few chances, got few choices on our plates. Mama told me there are limits for dark-skinned girls stuck in this light-skinned world. Once in a while, I lose myself in dreams, a silly girl full of silly schemes. Now along comes a man whose skin is white and pale, a shiny fool full of shiny tails. He says he'll make the people hear me. He'll force this world to finally see me. Oh, is he a lie like every other man? Oh Lord, could he somehow help to free me? Mama told me not to dream big, but Mama lives her life running scared. I am stronger and I'll fight longer. I'll do what Mama never